Welcome to our video demo of SmartPAGES for Blackbaud Razor's Edge NXT. This demo shows how to use the editor to add content to your SmartPAGES tiles. I'm going to show you how to edit the content of the tabs within your SmartPAGES tiles, how to embed videos and link to other tabs. When you get SmartPAGES, you will be issued with a license. You could also purchase a Pro license. The Pro version has a few extra options, such as adding other content editors, enabling a second and third tile on the home page, and allowing additional content to be added, such as videos and reports. We have an example of the tile here. We've got a home page, commonly used Blackbaud knowledge base links, a daily task list, etc. This sort of information can benefit your teams, ensuring they have the guides and information your organization applies to using Razor's Edge. There are a few icons available too, which I'll come back to in a second, but the main thing we need to do is show you the content editor. We have various tabs set up here. You may have fewer to start with, but I'm just going to edit this home tab. If you can't see the edit option, then you haven't got the right to do so. Contact your RE admin and ask about the PRO version, which would allow multiple editors. We suggest that when you are editing, you go into the full screen mode first, so use this icon here and switch. Now click the Edit button. You'll see I've got a couple of additional icons in edit mode. The plus, which allows me to add in different types of content elements, and the star, which will enable me to delete and move things up and down. So if I want to put some content in, I can just type. Now let's say I want to put in a list, I select that option under the plus menu. Then maybe I want to put in a YouTube video. I just grab the YouTube share link and paste it in. You'll see it automatically gets converted. That's simple editing. What about linking? Maybe you want to link to another tab within the SmartPAGES tile. Let me show you how to do that. First, save the page. So let's say I want to link from the home page straight to daily tasks. Go to daily tasks, then click the link icon and you'll see it pops up with the link to use. I'll go back to the home tab and edit it again. Now highlight the text I want to link, click the link icon, and paste the link I got from the other tab. You can also use links that link off to other websites. For those, it's simpler, paste in the web address. There are some other options in the editor. You can change the title of the SmartPAGES tile itself, which is shown in the tile's title bar. You can also rename the tab within the tile or even delete this tab. Remember, in the Pro version, you can paste the embed links for your Power BI reports and Loom videos. Just paste them into a new text line and they will be automatically converted. That's the end of our run-through. Thanks for your time today. We hope it clarifies what you can expect from the product. Visit our website to book a call or contact our team to learn more about this or other products.